How to start investing in the cryptocurrency, a guide for beginners. Let's go started. Cryptocurrency has been enormously valuation since being introduced, but the evolutions can create opportunity for profit if you are looking to trade this digital asset. Crypto such as Bitcoin and Ethereum have raised a lot since their depth. It is down significant from their rise along with Uber. Experienced trade has been happening quality on cryptocurrency for years, but how can you get started if you are new to the crypto market? Five steps for invest in cryptocurrency. First things is fast. If you are looking invest in crypto, you need to have all your financial in orders. That means having an emergency fund in space, a manageable level of debt, and ideally a diversified profit portfolio of investment. Your crypto investment can become one more part of your portfolio, one that helps raise your total return in the whole place. First of all, understand what are invest in. As you would you any investment, understand exactly what are investment in. If you are buying stocks, it's important to read the annual reports and others to analyze the companies thoroughly. Plan to do the same with any cryptocurrency, since there are literally thousands of them. All the functions difference and how one's being created happen every day. You need to understand the invest case for age trade. In this case of many cryptocurrency, they are blocked by that is nothing. All others asset is the floats. To understand the entire that case for crypto, for example, where invest really exclusive on someone paying more the asset than the paid in order word, unlike stock where a company can grow its profit and drive returns for the way can crypto asset reaches the market become more optimized published profit. Some of the most popular coin include Ethereum in XRE. So be before invest, understand the potential upside and downside. If your financial invest is not blocked by asset or cash flow, it would end up nothing is need. Second, remember the fast is fast. A mistake that many new investors make is looking the fast trade extrapolating their future. Yes, Bitcoin used to be thought the pioneer, but now is worth much more. The oceans, however, it will that grow continue into the futures, even if it is not a quit that is a meteorite. Investor look to the futures, not well asset has done the fast. What will drive the futures returns? Trades big buying cryptocurrency today's need today's site, not a year yesterday. Third, thank you for watching. Wait for more video.